Welcome to the world of digital content creators. In my previous video, I shared information about how to create an amazing poster without using any software for completely free. If you missed that video, just go and watch it. In today's topic, it is about how to convert video, audio or image and document to any type of format within a single frame. It's a completely free platform and easy to use. Before going to the video, please do subscribe Digital Content Creators to sharing this information as a reward from you. Let's get in. Open the browser and search for cloudconvert.com and hit the enter button. After hitting enter button, it will take you to their website where you can change the format of the file. You can see the website already arrived. You can convert, archive, audio, CAD, document, ebook, font, image, presentation, spreadsheet, vector, video. I will search for MP4 and I will convert it to WMV file, which is used in PPT. After selecting the conversion, just click on select file and upload the file which you want to change the format. I will select this. It is in MP4 file. You can see here. Just click on open and the option is arrived, and in this option, this is a settings where you can change the resolution, aspect ratio, audio codec, volume and trimming also. Just click on convert. Within a minute it will convert. You can see the video is uploading and the video is converting. Within a minute you can change the file format, which format you want. Just click on this download option and the download will be started. You can see here the download is started and the file is downloaded, and you can convert anything you want. Just click on the image which you want to change the format from JPG to PNG or WebP, PSD, ODD or GIF. You can see here. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment and spread this video to everyone, which will help them. Stay tuned for next wonderful information. Thank you.